Hey you guys, welcome back to Alicia at Home. I am your girl Alicia. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today you guys, we are coming with a CVS personal care and hygiene, as well as a few laundry care item haul. And I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I picked up a few new items that are new to me, and I thought, let me share them with you all. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So starting out, you guys, I absolutely love the Lysol air sanitizer scents, and these are two new ones that I hadn't seen before. This is the Lavender Sky scent, and this one is the Simply Fresh scent. I absolutely love the way that these smell, and they also sanitize. 99.9% of viruses and bacteria in your air. So that's the first thing we picked up. Next, I saw that CVS had a sale going on for the Dove Men Care line, and this is the Eucalyptus plus Cedar Oil. And they had a really good deal going on. They actually had some extra care bucks. I'll be sure to make sure that I post the prices that I paid for these items and any savings that I had as well. So this is the Eucalyptus and Cedar Oil Relax scent. I picked this up for my husband, and we got two of them. That was the special they had going on, which you get the extra care bucks. Now these items are not new to me. They are just one of my favorite scents for my laundry care. It is the Downy Infusion Calm scent. They have these for $6.99 on sale today. And if you bought $30 worth, you got an additional extra care book. So this is what I picked up for laundry care. Also going back to the Dove, I went ahead and picked up the Dove Men Plus Care deodorant for my husband. We got Midnight Classico, which is a new scent to me. I usually am the one who picks out the soaps and deodorants and things like that for the family. So this is a new scent to me, and I think it smells absolutely amazing. Let me give you a sniff here. It's so fresh, and it just smells really masculine. This is a classic scent, and it's just clean comfort. It's 72-hour protection, and this is just a simple scent, clean comfort. And it also has moisturizing cream in it. You know, the men need self-care as well, so this is one that I picked up for my husband. Now I picked up a few new items for the kids as well, and I'm going to share that with you here. So these is the items that I picked up for our children. This is the Althea. I hope that I'm saying it right. They did have these on sale for $9.99, buy one, get one free. And so I said, this is gonna be awesome. I picked this up for the kiddos. It's supposed to be lemon lavender scent, and I love lemon. I love lavender, and I've never smelled lemon with lavender, but I thought these smelled really good. It has unrefined shea butter in it as well, and they are both plant-based. So I did love that for the kids. It says that this is a traditional and authentic West African product. So love those. I also picked these up, which I had never done before. I'd never seen them for the children before. It is the Dove I Am line for the children. It says, I am fantastic, smart, and helpful. I love that it has little affirmations on there. This one is cotton candy scent. So super cute. And this one is the coconut cookie scent. And I thought my kids are gonna love to take a bath in this, and hopefully they won't try to eat it. But anyway, that's the new products that I got for the Dove I Am brand. And for myself, I went ahead and picked up two new Dove products. I recently had a very allergic reaction when I went to a spa here in the Texas area, and this is my first time veering back off from my non-scented hyperallergenic products. And so prayers up and fingers crossed. I did pick up Dove Exfoliate Away and Dove Glow and Recharge. They have 4% refining serum with AHA in this one, and 3% brightening serum with vitamin C. And you know, vitamin C is super good for the skin. So this is supposed to help me glow and exfoliate away. So we'll see how that works. For my deodorant, I love to use an aluminum-free product. And so I also stuck with the Dove line on this one. I picked up the classic cucumber green tea scent, and then I picked up this new scent, which is new to me, a coconut pink jasmine scent. Smells so delicious. Now moving on to the oral hygiene section, I picked up TheraBreath, and this is a dentist formulated healthy gum oral rinse. This one helps to fight gingivitis for 24 hours, and it helps to reduce plaque that leads to gum disease. This is the blue one, so I picked that up. I also picked up, which they had on sale, the Colgate Max Clean and Whitening with Smart Foaming. And I picked up the Colgate Max Fresh with Whitening, and it's supposed to knock out bad breath and bacteria. So, love that. So now you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to our hair care. And these are some products that are normal for me to pick up, and I picked these up for my kids, and this is the products that I use to maintain their hair when I am doing their hair on my own. First, I went ahead and picked up the Aussie Kids Moisting Shampoo and the Aussie Kids Moist Conditioner. These products work so well, especially in my daughter's kinky curly hair. One of my daughter has like 4C hair, and my other daughter probably has like a 4A, maybe a 3C hair, and both different textures, both different colors, and these products here work on both of their hair types, including mine. Very good at detangling also. And I do have one tenderhead baby, and I have another baby that's not tenderheaded, but I love that it's gentle even for her. Now, when it comes to styling, I love to use the Cantu for Kids line. And this is the conditioning detangler. I like to use this when it's taking me quite a while to style my daughter's hair after washing it, to keep it moist. As you know, with the kinky curly hair, moisture is key. So you want to make sure you have hydrated hair. It's going to help when it's time to detangle it, and it's going to keep the tears away. I also use the Cantu Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. I like to use this, and sometimes I will mix this with a different product to get the ultimate hold. Now, if you have any tips on a better edge control, definitely leave that in the comments down below, because I'm looking for ones that hold, you know, extreme hold that's gonna last the whole day, the whole couple of days, maybe if possible. But this one is the one that I use right now. And when it comes to doing those coils and twists and locks and all of those cute little ponytail styles for my little girls, I like to use the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. And I also use the Flexible Cantu Strengthening Gel. And this particular one has Jamaican black castor oil in it. So healthy, healthy, healthy. And you know we cannot have any cute hairdos without some new fresh hair bows. These are the Ouchless neon color ones, especially with back to school coming. We want to make sure that they have all of their cute little hair accessories. So I picked up some Elastics by Scrunchie, and these are the neon. And I also picked up some You Got This No Damage elastics as well. So you guys, that is it for today. I thank you so much for tuning in to our personal care, hair, laundry, and hygiene haul today with CVS. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you saw some items that you also may like to get. And if you do, or if you have any suggestions on other items that I should pick up. Also, if you think I should do another video like this where I'm showing you a haul of my restocking and replenishing items that I normally use, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I post. And also make sure to share with someone else who may like this video as well. Other than that, stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.